AI predictions for 2026. What's next? As we gaze into the horizon of 2026, artificial intelligence stands poised to revolutionize the way we live and interact. The landscape of technology will be painted with advancements that offer efficiencies previously imagined only in the realm of science fiction. With AI systems becoming increasingly sophisticated, automation will seamlessly integrate into daily tasks, transforming our personal and professional lives. In the arena of healthcare, AI will emerge as a powerful ally, redefining diagnostics and personalized treatment plans. Imagine medical professionals equipped with algorithms capable of analyzing complex patient data in real time, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. Predictive analytics will allow for preventive measures, effectively reducing the burden of chronic diseases and ensuring healthier communities. Moreover, the workplace will undergo a fundamental transformation under the influence of AI. The emergence of intelligent virtual assistants will not only streamline workflow logistics, but also foster collaboration among diverse teams. Workers will find themselves partnered with AI, enhancing creativity and innovation while eliminating mundane tasks. This synergy will liberate human potential, allowing individuals to focus on high-level strategy and problem-solving. As AI adeptly navigates the vast ocean of information, the world of education will be forever altered. Personalized learning experiences will flourish, with AI tailoring educational content to suit individual learning styles and paces. Such customization will empower students, making education more engaging and effective, while at the same time bridging gaps in knowledge and skill through targeted interventions. However, the rise of AI is not without its challenges. Ethical discussions on privacy, bias, and job displacement will take center stage as society grapples with the implications of these advanced technologies. Policymakers will be tasked with creating frameworks to ensure accountability and fairness in AI systems, safeguarding human rights and fostering a balanced integration of technology into our lives. In conclusion, the predictions for AI in 2026 promise a future filled with innovation, dynamic transformations, and ethical considerations. Embracing the possibilities while being vigilant about the challenges will shape our shared journey through this uncharted territory. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the exploration of AI's potential will continue to unfold, creating a tapestry of endless opportunities and responsibilities.